Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2011 Hyundai Tucson. Stock number is A7620. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you do need additional storage room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Tucson on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.